تعلمت من leadership إن
I learned how to be creative in different types of situations. I learned how to work with other people in leadership.
leadership is important because if you're not responsible and confident and team working, then you can get in big trouble.
I think the first day, leadership was just a game. After 6 weeks, I think leadership is about communication, teamwork, and patience.
استفدت وايد وأشكرهم.
The program taught me how to be more confident and how to handle working under pressure. I became smarter and learned how to be a good leader. What I learned in leadership is becoming a good leader and being responsible. I learned that one hand doesn't clap and working together makes us achieve more.